Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if a prime number is less than 29, what is the probability that it is also less than 19? Suppose S be the sample space of a prime number less than 29. So n of S is prime numbers less than 29 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So there are total 9 numbers which are less than, means total 9 prime numbers which are less than 29. Suppose E be the event of getting a prime number less than 19. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So n of E is 7. So probability of getting a prime number less than 19 is n of E divided by n of S. It means 7 by 9. So our correct option is option A.